Welcome to Address Downtown, a landmark of luxury nestled in the vibrant heart of Dubai. Towering 63 levels high, this five-star retreat offers an extraordinary experience with a 9.0 guest rating. Its prime location means you're just steps away from the Dubai Mall, the world's largest shopping destination. Indulge in one of 220 guest rooms and suites, each with high-speed wireless internet and interactive TVs. Luxurious marble bathrooms feature dual sinks, a deep bathtub, and a refreshing rain shower. Savor culinary delights from 11 unique restaurants, offering everything from Asian to Middle Eastern specialties. Relax by the outdoor swimming pool, rejuvenate at the spa, or maintain your routine at the fitness center. Enjoy curated amenities, including unlimited club lounge access and very good breakfast. From complimentary Wi-Fi to convenient airport shuttle service, every detail ensures a seamless stay. Your unforgettable luxury escape in downtown Dubai begins right here.